31 seconds, and we're going for auto sequence start.
Yeah, you thought that this was over, thought you got away with murder. Watch me murder my deserters. This is Congress Secret Service. Got your epidermis crawling from the toxins in the water. Use the oxygen to slaughter. This is big business, baby. Blood money bringing benefits. Still suffer from the ideology of Willie Lynch. Now it's all making sense. Let's breed ignorance, cause ignorance is bliss. Watch the bliss make us filthy rich. Rich. I'm okay now. Bring the napalm. I'll fly over and blow you away. No more sunshine, no more playgrounds. I fly over and blow you away now. There's no glamour, no guts, no glory when I fly over and blow you away. Blow you away now. What can you say now? I blow you my name on. The last shall be first, goddammit, planet, here we go. Camouflage cowboy, satellite rodeo, HIV, polio, positive identity, actions of evil because we can't believe the Trinity. Homeland security, false insecurity. Fuck your intentions and big plans for my community. I ain't afraid to die, fuck you gon' do with that. I'm coming to find you and wipe you off the fucking map.